Starting around 17 September 2023, Jasmy coin most certainly is exchanging at $0.004 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.61% in truly most recent 60 minutes, which really is very critical. Jasmy in every practical sense has an especially complete market cap of $181,636,397, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $13,074,496 in an unobtrusive manner. This truly makes Jasmy truly positioning at 145 in the digital money market, really in spite of prevalent thinking. In the event that you most certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2023. What will Jasmy coin most certainly be in every way that really matters, worth in 2023 in a genuinely huge way? Is Jasmy coin in every practical sense, wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023? For the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Will Jasmy cost explicitly outperform its unequaled high? Or so they thought. These most certainly are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future in a sort of significant manner. Jasmy value expectation 2023. As per the Jasmy coin estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Jasmy cost basically is supposed to sort of cross a very normal value level of $0.005, the normal most certainly least value worth of Jasmy coin. Toward the finish of the in every way that really matters, current year ought to be $0.004, all things considered, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Besides, Jasmy can by and large arrive at a very greatest value level of $0.005 in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy value expectation August 2023. The cost for Jasmy coin in August 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.004 and $0.004 in an in every practical sense enormous way. While the typical exchanging cost ought to generally be around $0.004 in a huge manner. Jasmy value figure September 2023. The Jasmy coin conjecture for September 2023 expects that the Jasmy may fundamentally arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.004 with a truly least cost of around $0.004, exhibiting how besides Jasmy can basically arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $0.005 in an unobtrusive manner. Discussing the very normal value Jasmy can stretch around $0.004 for September. So while the in every practical sense, normal exchanging cost ought to in every practical sense be around $0.004 in an essentially huge way. Jasmy coin value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the essentially greatest cost for Jasmy coin could stretch around $0.005 in a kind of significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Jasmy in October 2023 in every practical sense is $0.004 with a genuinely normal cost of $0.004, exhibiting that Jasmy value expectation 2023, as per the Jasmy coin estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Jasmy cost in a real sense is supposed to fundamentally cross an exceptionally normal value level of $0.005. The normal extremely least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the truly current year ought to sort of be $0.004 in an unobtrusive manner. Jasmy value gauge November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Jasmy coin especially is supposed to especially arrive at a really least value worth of $0.004, which explicitly is very huge. The Jasmy cost could in every practical sense arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $0.005, with the typical cost around $0.004, which in a real sense shows that these explicitly are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin value forecast December 2023. The cost of Jasmy coin fundamentally is by and large anticipated to reach at an extremely least worth of $0.004 in December 2023. Exceptionally further appearance how besides Jasmy can sort of arrive at an especially greatest value level of $0.005, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Jasmy cost could especially arrive at an in every practical sense greatest worth of $0.005, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.005 all through 2023, which generally is very critical. Jasmy coin most certainly passed value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto in a real sense has been truly diminished by 1.05% in every practical sense current worth, which essentially is genuinely huge. On the off chance that we in a real sense look at the sort of current market cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap sort of is likewise down, showing how on the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what fundamentally is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2023. What will Jasmy coin basically be by and large worth in 2023? Or so they generally thought. Jasmy coin truly is confronting an especially difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, genuinely further appearance how moreover, the minimum cost of Jasmy in October 2023 generally is $0.004 with a typical cost of $0.004, exhibiting that Jasmy value expectation 2023. As per the Jasmy coin estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Jasmy cost especially is supposed to cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.005, the normal pretty least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the truly current year ought to explicitly be $0.004 in an especially huge manner. The Jasmy generally is down to nearly 7.62% in the especially most recent 7 days, which generally is genuinely critical. The coin for the most part is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for past commonly couple of days. The coin could by and large have serious areas of strength. For really however, we don't basically imagine that it would have beneficial resource in genuinely momentary in a kind of significant manner. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Jasmy especially diminished by 45.855%, killing an incredible certainly normal amount of $0.003 from its ongoing worth, or so they especially thought. This unexpected down especially implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be an essentially decent, for the most part purchase and open door for certainly speedy venture, which truly is very huge. The 90 days cost change generally is near 29.15%, and the cost generally circled from an extremely least beautiful typical cost of $0.005 to pretty greatest truly normal cost of $0.005 in the sort of beyond 90 days, which is very huge. In certainly most recent 4 months Jasmy coin sort of has shown a developing pattern, pretty further appearance. How assuming we essentially look at the truly current market cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap especially is likewise down, showing how assuming that you sort of